Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure a JDK is installed and you know its folder. That matters for path. Open command prompt now and run Java version and Javac version to confirm they respond. If they do, you can proceed. If not, set the path. Also check Java Home matches the JDK folder. Once done, keep the command prompt open. You'll use it for compiling and running in the following steps. Now you set environment variables and compile. Use setx to append the JDK bin to path and define Java Home to the JDK root. This lets command prompt find Javac and Java persistently. Close and reopen the prompt so changes apply, then navigate to your source folder with CD. Compile with Javac My App. Java, this produces class files. Once compiled, run them with Java My App. Make sure your class path is current. If you use packages, run from the parent directory and include the package path in the command. Finish by running the program and diagnosing common issues. To run a jar, use Java jar app. Jar, to run a class, use Java CP. Com, example. Main, if you see Java not recognized, that indicates path wasn't set correctly or the prompt needs reopening. Go back and export the bin path, then reopen. For version mismatches, ensure Java Home points to the desired JDK and remove or override older JREs. Once fixed, rerun version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.